Good morning, students. Today we are meeting after our Diwali vacations, and now we have to take our EVS topic, right? We have to start our study session. So, before starting our study session, I will be doing some activity, and you have to guess. I want to know from you the name of the topic, what I am going to teach. Okay? Are you ready for that? Yes? Okay. Students, for carrying out the activity, I have taken bucket full of water and 2 empty containers. You can see there is nothing in this. Now, what I will do is, I am going to take this glass first of all in the water. What can you see? Nothing, right? Now I will be tilting it. थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा करेंगे इसे. क्या दिखा आपको? Air bubbles, right? Now same thing I will be doing with this container. हाँ? देखो. See. Straight I am person. Nothing happens. Okay, but if I tilt it, immediately you can see the air bubble. It shows, students. So what have we learned from the activity? We have learned that bubble rises at the top of the water. हमने देखा bubbles, बहुत सारे bubbles देखे. हाँ, तो what does it show? It shows that air is lighter than water, and so air bubbles are to the top as soon as the container is tilted. It means that there was air even in the container that appears to be empty. बर्तन खाली है परंतु उसमें हवा है. Now we will carry out the other activity. So for carrying out this activity, I have taken dish. Yes, dish I have taken, glass, and this is the candle which is easily available in Diwali. Okay, so what I will be doing is, I will put this candle dish over the plate in which it contains water. Now I am going to light it up. देखिए कैंडल जल रहा है. Now why the candle is burning, students? Because it contains air. It requires oxygen for burning, which is present in air. Now what I will do? I will be taking this glass. Now I am going to put this glass inverted over this. Candle extinguished and water level raised in the glass. You can see candle which was burning, it got extinguished, that is बुझ गया. Okay, candle बुझ गया, and the water from the dish is reduced and where it went inside the glass. So the water level in the glass increases. What does it show, students? What have you seen? The candle goes out. Level of the water inside the tumbler rises up to the certain level. So why does it happen? क्यों ऐसा हुआ? Yes? One of the constituent of air helps burning. The candle was burning because in air, one of the constituent of air is present, due to which the candle was burning. Can you tell which air helps in burning? Oxygen. Which air extinguishes the candle? Carbon dioxide. So, when carbon dioxide accumulated inside the tumbler, the candle extinguished. Is that clear, students? मोमबत्ती क्यों बुझ गई, कैंडल क्यों बुझ गया? क्योंकि अंदर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस हो गई थी, इसलिए मोमबत्ती बुझ गई. Okay, the candle get extinguished. As it get used up, what it gets used up? Oxygen which was there in the tumbler, it gets used up. Water rises in the tumbler, and when that constituent is finished, candle goes out. The water level to stop rising. Is that clear, students? Water level to stop rising. So, can you conclude? Today I am going to take which topic? सोचो कौन सा टॉपिक है आज डिस्कस किया जा रहा है एयर टॉपिक एयर चैप्टर नंबर 9 आई एम टेकिंग द टॉपिक ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर सो व्हाट इज एटमॉस्फेयर स्टूडेंट्स एटमॉस्फेयर इज नथिंग बट द एयर containing sphere. It is a sphere which contain air, that is nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, different types of gases are present in the air, and all together we call it as atmosphere. So air around the earth. Can you see the picture? Picture दिखा आपको पेज नंबर 58 पे दिखा. So I'm going to read that paragraph for you. The earth on which we live is round in shape like a ball. There is air all around the earth. This covering of air around the earth is called atmosphere. As we go far from the earth, the layer of the air becomes thinner and thinner. That is, the layer of the air closest to the earth are very close to each other, while one at the higher level are not so close. The air at a greater height is rare. Is that clear? तो जैसे जैसे हम पृथ्वी से दूर जाते हैं वैसे वैसे हवा का जो प्रभाव है वो कम होते जाता है. Air become rare and rare. Yes. Next we are going to see about the experiment, the conclusion part of the activity which we have done about the candle. Okay, so what do you see? I am going to read that topic for you. Soon the candle goes out, that is, it get extinguished. The level of the water inside the tumbler rises up to the certain level. Why does it happen? One of the constituent of air help burning. As it get used up, water rises the tumbler, and when the constituent is finished, the candle goes out. The water level to stop rising in the tumbler. Okay, so let's discuss the new topic, that is about the atmosphere. It contains which all gases. Yes, on page number 59 you can see one of the chart is given. Yes, in red color it indicates oxygen, whereas maximum nitrogen is present and oxygen is very less, whereas other gases are too less than these 2%. Okay, so let's have a detailed study for that. Here it has been given oxygen in the air is used for both the purpose burning as well as respiration. Yes, burning मतलब जलना, respiration मतलब सांस लेना. इन दो कारणों के लिए ऑक्सीजन बहुत ही यूजफुल है. Okay, then we have learned that oxygen that freezes out. अपनी सोडा बॉटल खोला है कभी? सोडा बॉटल खोला है? हाँ, तो उसमें से क्या आता है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस. ओके, सो वी हैव लर्न दैट द गैस दैट फ्रीजेस आउट ऑफ सोडा वाटर इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. These gases present in small quantity in air. Okay, plant make their food using air and water in presence of sunlight. When plants make their food, they use carbon dioxide from the air. ओके, ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का यूज़ कौन करता है? अपने प्लांट्स यूज़ करते हैं. यस, देन you have seen that when you place ice in a glass, it become very cold. Droplets of water settle around it. हाँ, ग्लास के आजू बाजू क्या होता है? ड्रॉपलेट्स हो जाते हैं. What does it show? Yes, water too is present in the air in the form of gas. However, the large part of the air is made up of still another kind of gas. Okay, so which is the other kind of gas? Naturally, nitrogen, as it was shown in the chart. Thus, there are several gases present in the air. In other words, air is a mixture of several gases. Okay, now do you know that the last topic here, the burning that take place in factory, vehicle, stove in the kitchen gives out smoke, and this smoke too mixes with the air around us. So students, I have completed this topic, that is chapter number 9, air. Now what have we learned? Let's revise it. We have learned that air is present all around us, even in a place that appears to be empty. अगर वो चीज़ खाली है तो भी उसके अंदर air है. Okay. Next, there is a covering of air all around the earth. It is called as atmosphere. The layer of the air in the atmosphere close to the earth are pressed closer to each other, while the upper layer are rarer. Air is mixture of several gases. It is mixture of several gases: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor. These are the main constituent of air. Fuel like coal, petrol, diesel gives out smoke while burning, which mixes with the air, and this can cause ill health. So students, with this I am finishing off this lesson. Let's go with our home assignment. This is a home assignment which you have to do in your workbook. Okay, bye students. Have a nice day.